Thanks, Stacey. A former federal prosecutor will now have to go to trial. He faces charges over a stabbing incident on the Howard Frankland Bridge. Today, a Pinellas County judge rejected a stand-your-ground defense of Patrick Scruggs. News Channel 8's Jeff Patterson reports that the former prosecutor is now facing serious felony charges.
Former prosecutor Patrick Scruggs claims he was justified in his actions and had no obligation to retreat the day he repeatedly stabbed a man on the Howard Frankland Bridge. Today, a Pinellas County judge rejected those claims and ordered him to trial. There are multiple videos from September 26, 2023, showing Patrick Scruggs repeatedly stabbing a man after a minor traffic accident on the Howard Frankland Bridge. Several witnesses say Scruggs looked enraged when he used a knife to break out a driver's window and then stab him.
Saw the knife in his hand, and I said, oh my gosh, he's got a knife in his hand. He's stabbing that person. That's what's happening. And it just made me just absolutely sick.
On the stand, Scruggs testified he saw a passed out driver who he thought was attempting to leave the scene. So he says he did what he had to do to stop him.
I was just trying to get him to either turn off the engine and get out of the car or just get out of the car on his own.
But today, Judge Keith Meyer rejected the defense of stand your ground under Florida law. The judge saying in part, based on the circumstances as they appeared to the defendant, a reasonable and prudent person would not have used the same force as the defendant used. As a result of the ruling, the judge set a trial date in September when Patrick Scruggs will face felony charges of aggravated assault and aggravated battery. In Pinellas County, Jeff Patterson, 8 on your side.